I'm in Anaheim, California. Join me as I walk around the AIME EXPO for all the new and exciting motorcycle industry exhibits.
I recently had the opportunity to attend AIME EXPO 2026 as a representative for WomenRidersNow.com. I got to meet a lot of women in the motorcycling industry as well as walk the convention center floor looking at dealer and product exhibits. And we finished off with a track walk at Anaheim Stadium before the weekend of motocross races. Stick around, this video talks about the Rabaconda, a tire changing system that you can keep in your own garage.
Hi, this is Winnie Phillips. I'm representing Women Riders Now and my blog, motorcyclemama.org. I'm in Anaheim at the AIME EXPO, and I'm here with a really exciting new product for those do-it-yourselfers at home that are changing tires in the garage. So, you can introduce yourself and tell us about the product.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm Jennifer at Rabaconda. What we have here is our street bike tire changer. Came out about 3 years ago, and it's been really popular with the Harleys, street bikes. You can do adventure bike tires. You can do dirt bike tires even. So it'll change any tire 12 to 21 inches up to 250 millimeters wide. So large variety of tires, and it's been really popular. All right, so I'm going to give you a demo really quick. Should take about 2 minutes, and here we go. This is the bead breaker arm. It also functions as a ratchet, but you'll put it over here. And we've already broken the bead for the demo, but just to show you how it works, you really put a lot of pressure. I break almost any bead. And then now we get the fun part, the ratchet. So this is a plastic duck head, protects your wheel. And then your tire iron will go behind the duck head to get the first bead off. It just clicks under here. Then you start to ratchet around. This will just fall right out. We do have a plastic.
So you only need that one time, and then
Yep, you just do the same thing on the second bead. So you'll go behind your duck head, grab it back, then click it under there. Then we just kind of hold it. Here we go. All right, now you have a change tire.
that was less than a minute and 20 seconds.
Nice.
That's fantastic. All right, so now she's going to show how easy it is to put that tire back on.
Yep, you just start back at 12 o'clock here, and there's a rim stopper pin to keep the wheel from moving. And we also have a strap included in the bag. This whole unit breaks down and packs into this bag, so it's really convenient for traveling, or just put away when you're not using it. The first bead usually goes on by hand because it's a demo tire. But yeah, you just reset your ratchet and then work backwards. So behind the duck head again, and a little bit of pressure here behind the wheel, so you don't have to worry about your wheel getting scratched. And then you just go around. And we do like soapy water to just make it a little easier. Here we go. It's quite satisfying.
So, like you said, that happened in less than 2 minutes. Jennifer, thank you so much for doing the demo. Putting the tire on and off looked super easy. I know my husband and I do our own tire changes in our garage, and it's usually more of a struggle than that. So this might be a future birthday or Christmas present for my husband. I love this. I love that it packs down into a small bag. It's smaller than our tent camping bag.
Yeah.
So how much does it weigh once it gets all packed away?
Yeah, it's about 37 pounds. So, you know, you can just throw it in your van or put it away in the garage. So if you don't have a lot of floor space.
do people take this camping?
Oh yeah. People take it to the track, camping. I mean, you can do it inside your apartment if you have a small space. Like,
I've talked. I live in the Los Angeles area, so there's plenty of repair shops and tire shops. But people don't and some areas don't have a tire shop near them, like hours away.
Yep.
So that's not just the cost of changing the tires, but it's also the time and gas to get.
Absolutely. And you have to have a trusted mechanic. A lot of these guys, maybe they're fresh out of school or whatever. You got your sensitive wheels, your baby.
Right.
Yeah.
My husband does not trust very many people on our bikes or our cars.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Is there any other fun facts we need to know about?
Yeah, I think just the lifetime warranty on all wear items. So if something breaks, we really want you to use these. So we have a great customer support team. We're a really small company. We're based out of Estonia. So the owners are super hands-on. They're actually here in the booth with us today. So yeah, they're cool guys.
All right. Thank you so much, Jen, for the demo. And check out the
Rabaconda.
All right. Thank you so much.
So the latest thing we've had come out recently is the motorcycle wheel balancer. It's a static balancer, super simple technology. It'll sit on your tabletop or it'll hang on your wall in the garage. It's basically just a simple static balancer. It's what the MotoGP guys use actually because they don't trust technology. And it'll stop where the heavy spot is. It'll stop at the bottom. And then you basically can either put wheel weights, which we've come out with, on the top, or you can do balance beads inside. So that's a new thing. Simple technology as well. We just came out with these. So yeah, pretty simple. We have a patent on this and we're really excited. Most people love it. It's pretty slick.
So here's that tire balancer in a wall-mounted position, and it even packs down into a carrying bag, so you can take it with you if you have a track day, or if we're going to somebody else's house and we're having a garage day barbecue, changing tires with your friends.
All right, that pretty much wraps it up. Let's do a quick review of the Rabaconda product line. It can change dirt tires, street tires. They've got a wheel balancing kit. It can be used on your workbench or you can mount it on a wall. They have balance beads. Their products store easily in carrying cases that don't take up a lot of room. Here is the mini version for those small, tiny dirt bike tires. And they're also introducing for cars and trucks.
And then Jennifer, this is for like ATVs, regular car tires.
F-150.
Okay.
We're expanding our
we're not asking you to be
adding a pneumatic feed brake.
just paragraph. Same price.
Street and dirt tires for this one.
And then our newest thing is the adapter for four-wheel
Add-on kit, it's a street bike tire changer that allows you to change four-wheel tires. So it'll be trailer tires, automobile tires, truck tires.
Is the adapter just the size of the plastic?
Yeah, the black adapter piece.
Okay.
And basically everything else is the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just to accommodate the width of the tire.
Special thanks to Jen and all the folks at Rabaconda for allowing us to shoot this video highlighting their products. Make sure you go to their website, rabaconda.com. They have a blog and full instructions on how to use their products, pictures and video, lots of great information. My 3 main tips: make sure you deflate that tire completely before you try to remove it. We like to put our tires out in the sun so that they warm up, makes them a little more pliable, flexible, so you can get them back onto the rim easier. And you're going to need a spray bottle with some soapy water to help you lubricate that tire so it's easier to get on and off the rim. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. I would also like to give a special thanks to womenridersnow.com for this collaboration video. Make sure you go to the website and check out lots of information on bike reviews, gear reviews, comprehensive event calendar, as well as a list of women motorcycling clubs and groups. All right, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, leave me a comment, and let me know if there's some video you want me to make in the future. Hopefully, I will see you out on a ride very soon. Take care.